time to strip these forms. I scribed these little boxes onto the rock, drilled in some galvanized 5/8 threaded rod. They've been drying for about a day now, so I'm going to strip the plywood off and see what it looks like. Concrete is not my specialty, so I try not to do too much concrete work.
If you want to be a part of a community where you can get access to reliable, high-quality information regarding whatever project you're into, Maker's Mob's got you covered. And for those of you who are on the fence, we're doing a 72-hour flash sale where you get the first month for $1. So if you want to see the tutorials, all the plans, check out the online Facebook community where we've got not just the YouTube makers, but tons of other really talented craftsmen in our group, and we're all making stuff, not just talking shop and tools, but actually building beautiful stuff. So if it's the weekend and you're watching this video, the sale's still going on, but it ends Sunday at midnight. Click the link in the description box below and take advantage of this deal while it lasts. 72 hours, okay?
So I salvaged this little red cedar log here from the burn pile up there, and you can see that where the forest fire burnt off all the branches on it. So it's kind of cool. The log is still in good shape, I think, so I'm going to try and hew it up on two sides and use it for my tie beam down there in between the two posts. So because this piece is tapered and doesn't have square edges, I just kind of took off all the sapwood because it was rotten. You can see a little bit of rot left there. That'll get cut off though. So I need to find a way to cut the shoulders for my tenons parallel with each other. So to do that, I just use a straight edge. Just put it on wherever. The main thing is that wherever you mark your line, don't move that straight edge. All right, because that's your reference center line-ish. So I'm just gonna kind of eyeball what I would see as square, kind of. Okay, so I make a mark here. Hold my tape. My measurement in between my posts is 53 5/16. Mark that over here. And I don't move the level, but I move my square. Hold that flat. There, now we know that both these lines are parallel. Ooh, that's a sexy timber. Well, that boardwalk's looking pretty sexy. Ooh, yeah. All right, we got the loaded decking here. Huge shout out and thank you to Aaron at Jaeger Construction for letting me use his trailer. I'm about to break a real good sweat here. So I load that down onto the boat. All right, well, we got her loaded up. No small feat for the little skookum choocher here. We're about halfway done, so I just gotta get it unloaded back at the property. Yes, we have docked. We are doing our annual summer sale, so if you want to get in on the Maker's Mob, give it a try for a month. It's only $1. So you get all sorts of tutorials and digital plans to download, as well as access to me and many other awesome makers on YouTube. So if you're interested in getting in on the summer sale, be sure to click the link in the description box below, because we're only doing this for 72 hours. So if it's the weekend and you're watching this video, the sale is still going on, but it ends Sunday at midnight. Well, another blustery day has drawn to an end. Got the boardwalk decked. The wind is giving me a bit of a chill here. It's cooled off a fair bit. So I think I'm gonna have my dinner and hit the hay.